Ahoy and welcome back to Codebusted. In today's episode I'm going to show you how I built the ancient Pokémon LEGENDS Arceus Pokéball. Okay, let's go. For this project you are going to need a plastic or acrylic sphere, which you can separate in two parts, from which you remove those little hanging thingies with a saw. Now take one half and carefully burn in the wood texture using your soldering iron. And after that you can give it even more texture using sandpaper. Now spray paint the inside of the other half with red spray paint. I used blue 4mm and orange 1mm craft foam for the remaining details. This version of the Pokéball will forever be closed, because I did not include a hinge this time. But to make it look like you could open it, cut this little groove into the foam to separate the two parts of the sphere. I used 4mm craft foam for those elements as well. This element will be placed on top of the Pokéball later, and it's made out of 4mm and 2mm craft foam. Now place very little fake gems in the middle of this foam element using super glue and tweezers. Now it's time to prime the foam parts. I used 2 layers of black acrylic paint to seal the surface, and after the acrylic paint is dried, I added 1 layer of chrome spray paint to it and let it dry completely. I mixed white and brown gold paint to create some sort of a wood color and painted the bottom half and let it dry. And after the first layer has dried, I added some slightly brighter, more white strokes to it, and I spray painted the inside of the bottom half white. Now mix black acrylic paint with a lot of water and add this mixture to the bottom half, just in some places, and wipe away the excess so that the paint will only remain in the deepest grooves. Now secure the foam elements to the closed Pokéball using super glue. Now take the water paint mixture from before and add a little bit to the foam parts as well, to give it a more ancient and used look. I even used a black marker to add some details, and feel free to try different techniques and paints to make it look old. And there we have it. This is the brand new Pokémon LEGENDS Pokéball from ancient times. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I hope you liked it. I hope to see you in the next one. See you then. Bye bye.